What is good, guys? Today, we're finally bringing Underglow back, baby. But before we do anything else, we're gonna go to the hardware store, get some supplies. I also really badly want to spray paint those grills black, so we're gonna finally do that as well. We need some screws and other things that you get from the hardware store to install Underglow. So anyways, enough talking, let's get to it. So while I was closing the door, I noticed that in there, and I'm pretty sure that's some latte going off inside my door there. So I'm gonna try and clean that out later. But we are at the hardware store, Uni-D. Let's head inside, get our supplies, and go. And hopefully, literally, this is not gonna be chrome silver anymore. This is gonna be black after today. It's gonna look beautiful. P.S. guys, if you don't look back at your car after you park it and walk away, then you're driving the wrong car. All right, so I already got my screws and we're in the painting section right now. And we're just gonna go for like some gloss black. I think that's probably the best thing to spray paint that thing with. I think matte black would kind of make it look too flat, so we'll go with that. And then I think that's everything we need. One thing I love about this home center is that I can get a box of the Georgia Premium. Let's do it. That'll make the live streams even better. Quick stop at the vending machine upstairs. We're gonna get a C today. I don't feel like drinking any canned coffee because I had a big one this morning. These things are awesome. Man, I'm kind of devastated it's not actually in a glass bottle like it should be. Damn you. It's all right, can's just as good. This is just like a really good vitamin drink here. All right, damn, look at that girl. Just look at her. Get out of the way, hybrid. Just look at her. I guess the best thing about this actually being in the can means ASMR time, boys. Let's do it. Oh yeah, boy. All right, let's go home and install this Underglow kit. Okay, so before we go and install the kit, let's do a box opening. But before we even do that, I just want to take a moment to thank Auxbeam for sponsoring this video, for sending me out this Underglow kit. I'm really excited to put this on the car, and I think it's really cool that Auxbeam decided to support me, ship this out, so that we can further the hashtag bring Underglow back mission statement. So yeah, stick around for the end of the video. I'll give you guys a coupon code so you guys can get yourself some kits as well off them at a discounted rate. And once again, thank you so much, Auxbeam. I'm really excited to see the end result. So, opening this box now. Looks like in the top here that this is probably like the Bluetooth controller, the wireless controller that then plugs into all the lights. Yeah, see there's just the wires there to connect to your auxiliary source, and then all the different plugs for the LEDs. Some booklets and instructions on how to use the app. Looks like some more instructions on how to install the kit, which is great. We'll look at those later. We'll pull this all out. Vlog life, only got my left hand. All right, cool. So let's open these. I'm assuming this is where obviously all the little like LED rock lights and stuff are. Yep. Let's pull this all out and get a good look at the product. Okay, cool. So all of these little guys are what's gonna, and it looks like, yeah, full SMD LEDs there. And this is made out of like cast alloy or something. It's really hard. Looks really good. And then it looks like it has like these rubber mounts and things that it clips into. Sweet. Oh man, I'm really excited to put this on the car. These look great. And then I'm just gonna assume that all these other boxes have the same thing in there. Most likely do, because I think there needs to be like, probably like 8 or 10 or something of these in here. Hang on, how many plugs are here? That'll tell us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, there'll be 8 lights in total, which is perfect. Okay, so I just finished opening up the rest of the boxes, and yep, we do have 8 lights in total, which is going to be more than enough for me to light up the underside of the car and make it look sick. Really excited, but yeah, enough of this. Let's go out and actually get the kit installed. Okay, so to get started, I'm gonna get the ramps, we're gonna get the car up on jack stands, get it up nice and high so I can slide around heaps under there. And then pretty much I'm just gonna work out the position of everything, where I'm gonna run all the wires, and then we'll just start mounting everything. Damn it, where's that crow? I don't know if you can hear it, but crows, there he is, cheeky bugger. Okay, so we got the car jacked up now. Just take a quick look at that Ebisu spec, boy. But as well, I've just been checking the cable length on every single light to make sure they were all identical, and they are. So that means I am gonna have to mount the control module box probably in the middle of the car under the center console there, which is totally fine. That's doable and really easy. Actually makes my life a lot easier too, because I know that there is a grommeted hole there already that I'm not using. That used to be for the sensor, the temp sensor that used to be in the cat. But obviously I don't have a cat anymore. So that's what we're gonna do. do. I'm gonna probably run everything up and in there, but first things first is I'm gonna lay out all of these kind of like around the car and work out if the cable length is enough, so I don't have to extend anything, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I finished installing all of the lights. The most difficult ones were the front because I had to run the wires through the engine bay and through the firewall and whatnot, so they're all coming out under there. That was a bit of a mission. Everything else is done. I've zip tied everything underneath. The only thing is you can see all the cables sitting there. They're all ready to go up in that hole. They're all zip tied there. Just pretty much all I have to do is feed them into the hole. But for me to do that is I have to take out the passenger seat and lift up the carpet, and that means I need to get this car off the side of my fence, so I need to bring it back down, move it across. So that's okay though, I don't need to get under the car anymore. We're sweet there. All I have to do is feed those wires up and in once I've got the carpet and the chair off. One other thing I did during all of that was I painted the grills. These I've done like 3 coats on either side now, so they're looking really good, and I'm going to put those in just before I take this off the jack stands. I think I'm going to not time lapse anymore though. I'm just going to pretty much just bam 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 smash it out, because it is getting dark and I want to get this thing done before nightfall and wired in. So I've got about an hour left of light. Let's get it done. Okay, so it is dark, really dark. In fact, I'm even in headlight mode right now. But the whole reason why it got super delayed was I had a whole bunch of issues getting the car off the jack stands. Pro tip: however you put the car up on jack stands, make sure you take it back down off that exact same order in the opposite way. Because yeah, like I jacked up the front first, then the back, and then I decided to bring the front down first. But of course, because the back was up, the front would be pointing down, the jack got jammed, I had to go find another jack, and then that was out of oil, so I had to get oil to fill up the jack, and yeah, I don't want to talk about it. Anyway, so now it's pitch black, but I have my headlamp, so we're going to pull out the seat. We're going to get the underglow in there, because if there's anything that's going to save today, is that we're going to have working underglow. So let's get to it. Guys, you have no idea. You have no idea. Oh my God, this is so cool. It goes to music, goes to like everything. We definitely need to probably get like a couple more so we can fill in here. But otherwise, like, it looks so freaking good. Oh my God, we have underglow. And it has so many cool freaking features. You gotta check this out, right? So the app, right, you don't have to put a switch in unless you really want to, but I've wired everything in such a way so that it's just always got power whenever the ignition's on. But literally, if I kill this and turn the power off, even though like I restart the the key on the ignition and everything, it remembers and stays off. It doesn't go on by itself. So you've got options here where you can, have music playing. Let's just play this random song. Okay, so I just realized that I can't use the music feature, otherwise I get copy strike, but it has the tape option here, right? And that way it actually just listens to your mic. And see this, like while I'm talking, it's moving. Nani? There you go. How cool is that? So we can have music beats playing and that going. And okay, that's getting a bit obnoxious now. There's a whole bunch of really cool like styles and things in here that you can set up, like rainbow strobe. And put the speed up on that and just does random cool stuff. There's lots of cool things. I'm just going to leave it on a pulsating rainbow. That's nice. It just goes through different colors and stuff. It's pretty. Okay, got to put the seat back in, put everything back together, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I know it's pretty hard to see and it's really dark, but we're going to turn the lights on and show you the end result. Boomtown. How good does that look? I'm really happy with the result. I can't wait to go to like Dokoku, where there's just a little bit more of that kind of low lighting with the street lights and stuff, but it looks really good, like really good. I'm so happy. The kit actually, it was pretty easy to do. The only thing is that obviously you need to try and figure out where you're gonna run all your wires. That's the most difficult part. So I'm actually really happy, and I love the iPhone control application. The fact that, I can sit here and be like, Moshi mosh. Nani? Like, how cool is that? It goes by your voice and things like that. You can do some cool stuff. Anyways, I know that's like a basic feature, but nonetheless, I'm really happy. We finally have underglow, boys. It's happening. We're back. Very, very happy. Just take a moment to absorb that in. Let's speed that up though. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. All right, it's gonna look so good at Daikoku though. Also, just quickly, let's turn these off. Just quickly, look what's black. So we'll get to see that tomorrow morning. I'll actually end the video in the morning that way. Whoa, what the hell is that thing? Whoa, look at it. It's got like 1,000 legs. Oh, there it is, there it is. Look at it. What is that? Dude, that's creepy as. Does anyone know what that is? It's creeping me out, man. Okay, so it's the next day and I wanted to show you guys the car in the light just because we painted these grills black. And I think it looks so much better now with the blackness of the tires, the smoked Nismo indicators and everything. And now that we got those grills black, it just flows so much better and looks better. The only other thing we need to do now with grills is put one in the middle here, make sure that it's black as well. And then I think that'll make the front end finished and looking great, at least until we crash it again. Anyways, let's go inside and wrap this thing up. Okay, so I'm way too excited to take my car down to Daikoku tonight and sneak in with the other Underglow guys, get some photos. I mean, my car's got nothing compared to those other dudes. Like, they're like way over crazy with it, but it's still enough for me to be a part of the movement, hashtag bring Underglow back. Now, if any of you guys want to get the same kit, go check out Auxbeam. I've got a link down in the description, plus a 12% off coupon code so that you guys can save some money. Definitely hit them up, get the kit. And yeah, I can't thank them enough for sponsoring this video and my car. I'm way too excited that we got a company on board for bringing Underglow back. I hope you guys do take advantage of that coupon as well. If you do get the kit, if you do install Underglow in your car, please tag me in an Instagram story. I'd love to reshare that and share the Underglow goodness. Tell me in the comment section, guys, if you're excited for Underglow. And I think that about wraps it up. Thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Ja mata ne.